A little too much. Oh well.
And roll it on here.
To make a 1-inch ball, then we need to roll it in the sugar, then put it on the tray.
1 inch.
Peanut butter blossoms. That's a home for tablespoons.
Here?
Yeah, because it doesn't bother anything. It's not in the way. Peanut butter blossoms. There's our first batch of 8. We have 40 more to go. Then the kiss kind of starts to melt, but then the top will stay hard. It's like when you bite it, it's kind of like melted at the bottom already.
Look at this.
Looks what? Really good?